Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today we will be discussing about what is maintenance training. Let's jump right into it. What is maintenance training? Maintenance training is a structured program designed to equip individuals with the knowledge and skills required to perform maintenance tasks efficiently and safely. It covers a wide range of activities, from basic repairs to more complex troubleshooting and preventive measures. This type of training is essential for maintaining the longevity, safety, and performance of equipment and systems across industries like manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and utilities. Why is maintenance training important? Proper maintenance is the backbone of any efficient operation. Equipment failure can lead to downtime, loss of productivity, and even safety risks. Maintenance training addresses these concerns by ensuring that personnel understand the tools, equipment, and processes involved in maintaining machinery, systems, or facilities. Well-trained maintenance teams are capable. Minimizing downtime, quick diagnosis and repair prevent extended outages. Increasing efficiency. Proper maintenance prolongs the life of machinery and reduces operating costs. Ensuring safety. A trained team can identify potential hazards and follow safety protocols to prevent accidents. Reducing costs. Preventive maintenance reduces the likelihood of expensive repairs or replacements. Types of maintenance training. Preventive maintenance training. This focuses on regular, scheduled tasks to keep equipment in good working order. It includes tasks like lubrication, inspection, cleaning, and replacing parts before failure occurs. The goal is to prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of the equipment. Corrective maintenance training. This training helps individuals learn how to fix equipment once a failure has occurred. The emphasis is on troubleshooting, diagnosing the problem, and performing the necessary repairs to bring the system back online. Predictive maintenance training. This advanced form of maintenance relies on data-driven insights and predictive technologies. Trainees learn how to interpret data from sensors and other monitoring equipment to predict when a failure might occur and perform maintenance just in time. Safety training. Safety is an integral part of maintenance training. Workers must be well-versed in safety protocols to avoid accidents. Lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures, for example, are essential in ensuring that machinery is properly shut down and unable to be started while maintenance is being performed. Benefits of maintenance training. Enhanced productivity. A well-maintained system operates more efficiently with fewer breakdowns. This leads to improved production cycles and less downtime, benefiting overall business operations. Cost reduction. Preventive and predictive maintenance strategies learned through training can significantly reduce repair costs and minimize the need for expensive replacements. By catching small issues before they become major problems, companies save on both time and money. Employee empowerment. Employees who receive regular maintenance training feel more competent and confident in their abilities. This boosts morale, reduces errors, and improves job satisfaction, leading to better overall performance. Compliance with regulations. Many industries are governed by stringent safety and maintenance regulations. Maintenance training ensures that employees are up to date with the latest regulations, reducing the risk of violations and penalties. Conclusion. Maintenance training is a crucial investment for businesses and industries that rely on machinery and equipment. By empowering employees with the skills and knowledge to maintain and repair systems effectively, companies can enjoy smoother operations, reduced costs, and enhanced safety. In an increasingly competitive market, maintenance training is not just a necessity, but a strategic advantage that ensures equipment uptime and operational efficiency. Learn this video. Helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We're looking forward to see you until then. Take care.